Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram ad interest option not working problem? Instagram recently introducing this feature in Instagram profile, but this feature is not working right now. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's start. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store and then tap on Search app. Search Instagram. Now update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, now open Instagram. Now go to Instagram profile. Tap on three-line icon. Now scroll down. Find help option. Now go to help option. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Here describe your issue in details. After describing your issue, now send your report. After this process, hopefully your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.